In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get your images in cartoon style on Midjourney. Now, cartoon style is pretty broad. There is so many different types of cartoons, so many different styles. This is cartoon, so is this, and all of these are cartoons. So I'm going to teach you how to get your desired look. Now, what I would recommend doing, you can fiddle around with it in here with your own prompts, but it's going to be difficult. What I'd recommend doing is I'd recommend coming up to here, going to Google and going on to prompt base. Now, this website is amazing and it's a game changer. So at the top, I would type in cartoon. Now, if you have any style that you like, say Marvel or anything you like, you can type it in here, Pokemon, something like that. Or if not, you can just type in cartoon to get some general cartoon styles. Now that we're in here, we can go to Midjourney on the left, and this is going to show us tons of different Midjourney cartoon styles. So let's say we like this cartoon style, or this one, or this one. Let's say we like this one here. We can click onto it, and these are the kind of cartoons. This is the style you're going to get from the prompts. Now, we can click here to get prompt, and what that's going to do is it's going to give you the prompt required to make these cartoons. Now, once you get the prompt, it's going to give you instructions on how to use them. So it will tell you can change the animal type, you can change the colors, you can change if it's fluffy, if it's angry, if it's sad, all those kind of things. Also, you can mix and match these keywords with other prompts and other characters. I've got a video on my channel about how to use other characters, and you can mix and match those to get this style, but say of a superhero. And that's basically how you can get your desired cartoon effect every time. Go onto here, buy the prompt for the desired cartoon. It's well worth it. You're going to get consistent, amazing results every single time. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and comment down below that it worked. Thank you for watching.